Hey Tim, hey Erica. One day, you and me, the three of us, we're going to produce a great television show. I can't wait to be out in the field together with you. But in the meantime, I thought maybe you could give me a hand with my home office. Say hi to Mr. Tim.
Hi.
So this is my wife, Melissa. We've been married for 7 years.
Well, I'm glad the whole family's here. So tell me, what do you do, Adam?
I'm a television producer. And
Oh,
I've been chasing you, as you know, trying to get some TV done because you're so good. And one day we're going to do it.
We are. We're going to do something. We're going to do something great together.
Is we have this space carved out behind the garage. We've been using a fold-up desk and with a crack in the middle, pink room, because we painted it for Melissa. Have space, as I said, for a really big desk, storage for everything, some sort of meeting area where if I have people come in, a small desk, sometimes I'll have somebody else that I want to work with. Now, ultimately, it's an office, but leaving some flexibility in the design would be interesting. Just enough space, I think, for a bathroom. Cabinets and desk and drawers for filing all along this wall. I like this beautiful space. You really want that to be your view, right?
That's a huge challenge to the other two, office, mother-in-law, or Airbnb, and then have that. So, but I love those huge challenges. So I've got an idea. Let's look at the extra space that you have. You might be able to dedicate from the 4-car garage if Melissa lets it happen.
The thing is, I think that the 4-car garage is a selling point whenever we sell the house. This is the 4-car garage selling point, of course. But I would balance, I'm not sure. I think that having a really nice office that's big and spacious and has that view and has a space for a mother-in-law suite as a guest room, I think you get more value.
Wow, that is a nice big garage.
Oh, I'm not even all the way back, yeah.
Wow. Here in Arizona, that space turned into living space would add more value than garage space. But I can't say that I know how it would be in LA.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, we think so too.
If you gain that extra 2 feet or even that space that you're going to be able to create from your office space, I would push for that. The other thing I was thinking is that wall that you have to build.
The big space leading out to the swimming pool, that wall.
Correct. What if that was an accordion style doors, or what if it was a pocket style door, but a couple of the pocket doors were wood instead of glass? You need wall space if you're having an office. It can't all be glass up front. You need some wall space. So what if they're pocketed and 2 of them were wood and 2 of them were glass?
You speak my language when you say pocket door. You're talking about an accordion where they fold, right?
Well, either way, if you're having a challenge with it swinging open, then you'd have to do a pocket style, and it'd have to be 4 sliding pockets.
It's tight. There's not a lot of distance from the opening to the pool.
But because I'm an engineer and a builder, I would fabricate my own in this case, and I already have them kind of designed in my head. This is where my mind is thinking. I did a big set of accordion doors on Boomtown Builder, and they were just huge steel doors, but that they folded on themselves and then folded up against the building. But that creates a challenge, like you were saying, with the space out front. If you had 4 big pocket doors, the first 2 would be solid glass and they would come together. The next 2 besides those, I would do half glass, half wood. Yep.
So window upper solid, like the garage over here.
Exactly. Okay. You have half of it as wood, kind of a wainscoting on the 2 pockets. Then that can be file cabinets, that can be your guest desk, that sort of thing. Where
these bicycles are, we were wondering if there would be space up there for a loft instead of doing the Murphy bed, which would take up so much of my storage space. Instead of all this storage, that's just...
Yeah, nice little bedroom up there. And that eliminates having to have any square footage down below for a bed, which is, that's a big footprint. There's a sense of charm, and we all love sleeping in tree houses, and we all love that whole feeling. So even your kids, when they get a little older, might want to be, hey, let's go out and sleep in the tree house. Yeah. Well, that was awesome, Adam. It was great.
I'm so happy.
Good. This will be epic. It'll be good stuff.
Tim, thank you so much.
Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Melissa.
It was great. This is great.
Yeah, this is really helpful. It was really helpful. Hey, Erica, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Well, it's just because there's a ladder to the bed, she can't stay. I wish you could, Mom, but there's no way it's going to happen. You dangerous for me.